for example early morning, is desirable. If harvesting during the hotter part of the day cannot be avoided, the produce should be kept shaded in the field to minimize product heat, weight loss, and wilting. Now let us see the different methods of harvesting. There are basically two types of method which are used for harvesting the vegetables: manual harvesting and mechanical harvesting. Manual harvesting. The main goal of harvesting is to gather a commodity from the field at the proper level of maturity with a minimum of damage and loss as rapidly as possible and at a minimum cost. This is achieved only through manual harvesting. Manual harvesting is also known as hand harvesting. Hand harvesting is done in several ways: harvesting by means of cutting knives, harvesting by means of digging tools. Mechanical harvesting. In this method, number of mechanical devices are used for harvesting the produce on commercial scale. Vegetables that are grown below grounds, that is radish, potato, garlic, carrots, beets and other, are always harvested only once, and the soil can be used to cushion the product from machine caused mechanical injury. A number of products designed for processing such as tomato, beans, peas, peats and some leafy green vegetables are machine harvested because harvest damage does not significantly affect the quality of processed product. This is often because the product is produced quickly after harvest. The main advantage of mechanical harvest equipment is that machine can often harvest at higher rates. Now the next process of post-harvest technology of vegetable is cleaning of vegetables. Before fresh vegetables are marketed, various amount of cleaning are necessary, which typically involves the removal of soil dust, adhering debris, insects and spray residues. Cleaning basically sanitize the produce and avoid entry of undesirable content to enter the packaging and storage line. Thus, cleaning is the unit operation in which contaminating materials are removed from the food and separated to leave the surface of the food in a suitable condition of further processing. Chlorine in the fresh water is often used as disinfectant to wash the commodity, so harvest vegetable is washed to remove soil, microorganism and pesticide residues. Now you can see in this video how the vegetables are cleaned and washed after harvesting. Vegetable washing is a mandatory processing step. It would be wise to eliminate spoiled vegetable before washing in order to avoid the pollution of washing tools or equipment and the contamination of vegetables during washing. Washing efficiency can be gained by the total number of microorganisms present on vegetable surface before and after washing. Best results are when there is a six-fold reduction. The water from the final wash should be free from molds and yeast, and a small quantity of bacteria is acceptable. Now let us see the different methods of cleaning. Equipments for cleaning is categorized into dry method and wet method. Dry method is mainly used to remove the adhering soil from commodity, that is potato, root vegetables, carrot, radish, etc. Dry cleaning procedures are used for products that are smaller, have greater mechanical strength and possess lower moisture content. After cleaning, the surface are dried to aid preservation of further drying. Dry procedure